Michelle from China. This is gonna be a less than 2-minute video because I'm gonna show you how to make dinner in 1 minute, okay? You need 3 ingredients: chopped tomatoes, tinned tomatoes, ketchup, sugar. Okay, let's start the timer. Okay, turn on the fire, crack open your tin. I use a pouring one because that's just easier for me. Okay, go straight into the pot. Don't need to wait for it to get it warm. Okay, well, if you're even more of a timer, you know, cooking less tomatoes than you need is gonna be faster, okay? So this is gonna be like 2 meals, depending on how many people you're gonna serve. But basically, tomatoes goes in, ketchup goes in. Measurements, I don't know what that is, but let me try to give you a little measurement. Okay, so I'd say that's like what? Half a cup goes in. This is on the highest fire, okay? Don't worry, nothing's gonna burn. Pot, any pot. Best to avoid the aluminum. So like stainless steel, cast iron, those are the best options. I'm just basically waiting for this to heat up. 1 minute, do you think that's gonna heat up? Okay, I'm doing 1 cup of ketchup. So this is quite a large tin of tomatoes, right? Okay, time is ticking. Next, 2 ingredients ready in the pot, okay? Sugar. Sugar, ingredients, measurement, I don't know. Pour it in. I like mine really sweet. And this is only good if it's really sweet, okay? This is meant to be sweet. But don't worry, it's not sickly sweet. It's deliciously sweet. It's the tart from the tomatoes with the sugars. Okay. And then give it all a good stir. But I can already feel the heat coming off this pot. That's how you know it's getting cooked, okay? So I'm gonna add some more sugar to that, because this is a big pot. And you can always add more at the end. Especially when it cools down, you might feel that the sugar intensifies the caramelization. There's no caramelization happening here, but... Okay, I'm gonna close the lid because 1 minute. What's the timer now? Let me check. Freaking hell. Okay, it's still recording. Okay, it's 2 minutes. Oh, okay. Guys, it's ready. Call your peoples down, okay? Get your rice, put it in a bowl. It's ready. Ready to serve. Sick fam la! Lot liar. So she's starting to bubble, so let me tell you what you can eat this with. Eat this with plain white rice, okay? That's the best thing ever, with just subtle white rice. Or you can dip some crackers in it, or bread, or pasta, or drink it as a little soup. Literally anything, okay? Dip your favorite carbohydrates in here. It could be potatoes, gnocchi. I love gnocchi. Yeah, let me demonstrate a little for you. So these are some low-fat crackers I found in the bin, actually. Let's do a little taste test, okay? So this is, you know, how they say no, like, double dips. Just taste it with a low-fat cracker. That is so good. The tomatoes are so fragrant. Like, you know, some tomatoes you really can't taste the flavor of the tomatoes. This one is a great one. It's from Coles. Oh, oops, I double dipped. Whoops. It's only for me, so it's okay, guys. But this does belong in a restaurant. So, I don't even find that it needs any salt. It's perfect. It's already hot. As long as the sugar dissolves, it's perfectly ready to eat. So 1 minute, bang, call your people, get your rice. Take fan now. Hi fan. That's perfect. And you can even add water to the can to get the excess tomato sauce so that you don't waste any. But as it cools down, it's gonna get looser, not looser. It's gonna get thicker, so it's not as runny. But me personally, I like hydration in my food. I like soupy, watery food. Goes down much better. And I like saucy food. So yes, that's the recipe. 1 minute step up from ketchup sauce. Make it. You won't regret it. Bye.